Hi and welcome everyone. I'm sure you've seen these hybrid animals before on Instagram or TikTok, and you've probably noticed they rack up millions of views. There are a lot of Instagram accounts that share the same content and get tons of engagement. Today, I'll show you how to make videos like these completely free using just a few AI tools, quickly and without much chit chat. There are 5 simple steps to making these videos. Step 1, generating the prompt. To create the best prompt, we need to use a prompt template, not just a basic one. I mean, we have to work smartly, not like a bot. I'll feed it into ChatGPT and tell it which animals to combine, and it will give me a prompt with all the details for the chosen animals. I've got prompt templates for both hybrid animals and animations, so if you want them, just let me know in the comments and I'll share them with you. Step 2, creating the images. I made an image with a 9:16 aspect ratio, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels of an eagle and a black panther. I used piclumen.com and got a good result for a pre-fusion scene where the panther and eagle are facing off, as well as a good post-fusion result, the hybrid animal. But when I generated the second prompt for an elephant and tiger, the result was really bad. I switched to the best and fastest website for this kind of content, and that's Cree.ai. It's really good for both pre-fusion and post-fusion. Check out the picture of a lion and an eagle. It's really impressive. Now watch when I create the post-fusion scene. It takes just seconds, and the result is really amazing. Step 3, bringing it to life with animation. I'm using Runway ML to animate these hybrid animals. It gives good results. You can also use Lumalabs, Pika.art, or Kling AI. For the animation, I used my prompt template and just selected the animals. ChatGPT automatically adjusted the details to match both lion and eagle. I had ChatGPT add a flying feature in the scene, and as you can see, the result is good. Even with this aspect ratio, you can see the whole animation, and it's still really good. Pro tip, you can copy these examples and ask ChatGPT to choose the best elements for your animation, then include them in the prompt for better results. I'll stop with these 2 animations and move on to the next step. Now for the final step, video editing. I'm using CapCut, like most YouTubers. Haha, it's beginner friendly. We just have to import the pre-fusion pictures and animations into CapCut and drag all the files into the timeline. Place the images before the animations and adjust their size a little bit. For the pictures, add the animals' names. Feel free to choose any font and make the duration 3 or 4 seconds. For the animation, set the duration to 5 seconds. Now I'll do the same thing for the second picture and animation, but you should create 4 or 5 pictures and animations to make a good video. For transitions, I'm going with Glare 2, simple but effective. Add an effect if needed. You can see what effects big accounts use and copy them for your videos. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Also, grab some trending music from TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube and use it in your videos. Or find free copyright music on Pixabay, YouTube's library, or choizic.com. Just make sure to mention the creator in the video description. I hope this video was helpful. Please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting if you have any questions. A small like means a lot to me and helps me keep making content like this because it's really time consuming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.